So there's some confusion on the last lesson, so I wanted to kind of clear it up here in the warm-up question today. So the last lesson just boils down to really these 5 steps, okay? First of all, we're going to use this equation, f of x equals a times x minus h squared plus k. We're going to go to the numbers that they gave us in the picture, and we're going to find the vertex, which is either the highest or lowest point. Remember, the first value in the vertex is your h value, the second value is your k value. We're going to put it into the equation, the h and the k, and it's going to appear like the h value changes sign. Really what we're doing is just plugging into here, and the equation has a negative. So f of x equals a times x minus something squared. So we're going to be plugging in 5 for the h, and then we're going to be plugging in 4 for the k. Now we're going to choose one of the other points. It does not matter. You can pick your favorite one. I am going to choose 1, 0. Okay. I am now going to plug the 1 value goes in for the x, and then the 0 value goes in for the y, which in our case is f of x. So I'm going to put 0 in for the f of x equals a. I'm going to put 1 in for the x minus 5 squared plus 4. Now I'm going to use that to solve for a because I'm down to 1 variable. So I'm going to start by subtracting 4 from both sides. So I've got negative 4 equals a. And then I've got 1 minus 5, which is negative 4 squared. Negative 4 squared is 16. Then I'm going to take this 16 and divide it on both sides. So we've got negative, I'm going to reduce that fraction, so I've got negative 1/4 equals a. Now that I have that, I've solved for a. I'm going to take this and go back to the equation we created in step 2. That equation is right here. And I plug the a value into that equation. So we're going to rewrite that equation with the a plugged in. So f of x equals that a value that we found, negative 1/4, times x minus 5 squared plus 4. And that should solve it for you. Again, with this being the a, the h with the opposite sign, and that's the k.